Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. And as you've seen in the thumbnail and in the title, this is a completely new segment. And I'm very excited about this because so that I even as soon as I rolled out from the bed, I went and picked this up. And the thing I picked up was this Zone Star, and this is my new 3D printer, or my first 3D printer even. So I was so excited to pick it up, so I'm only having my coffee first now. And where to start? Let's start with I've wanted one for many years now, but I haven't really felt that it was the time to buy one. It's a big investment for me, but since dual extruders are becoming more and more common, and I want, of course, a DIY kit so that I can build upon it, and I feel that this is something that I can grow with. So it's the Zone Star something P802QR2-EU. Since I live in Sweden, I didn't want it to be shipped from China. They did have a warehouse in Poland, so I used that. So, razor blade, let's open it up. So we have a checklist, and let's see what's in the package. So this is what you're greeted with after removing this cover and the checklist. We have screws. We have a USB cable. We have display and knob. I thought that it was going to be buttons, but because I was watching a review of this after I bought it, and he felt that it was a downside that it was these buttons that you control it with instead of a knob. So here we have a knob instead. Maybe got something to do with it. An EU power cable. Tape. Here we have, I think it's a driver and SD card, some wires. Oh, spare parts. We have some nylon or Teflon hose for the filament. 2 of them, since I have dual extruder. some blocks. We have some tools. Power button, belt, but also some nylon hose or Teflon hose. Not sure which I'm going to use. We'll see. Some other parts. Drive gear. Connection for the filament hose. Some more mounts. Stop switch. Was it no, it's not the extruder itself, but it's the things for the extruders. So total of 2 of those. Some bearings, gears, and sliding blocks. Some clamps. So this is the proximity sensor. Some more wiring. An acrylic block of some sort. Another one. Shiny power supply. I need to make sure, I think it's already at 220. Because if you're in the US you can change it. Ooh. Here we have the extruder and the cooling fan. Exciting. We have more blocks. Ooh. So here we have stepper motors. So 2 of them there. Two more. And a total of 6. So we have for all the axes and for the extruders. I was also hearing in one of the reviews that he didn't really like the packaging, because especially these. So these are the sliding rods inside. I don't think I need to open that. Then we have some stainless parts, the construction which will hold it all. The bed. I think this is what I paid extra for. Some sort of glass. And the holder for the heated bed. And here we have the heated bed itself. Do not touch, but I'm touching it. So hot. Some other parts. And then the motherboard, I guess it's their own. And now it's empty. So, lots of parts to assemble into a full construction. Some more coffee is needed. So I will not start the assembly right away. Instead, I will I will measure everything. Well, first check that I have everything and then measure everything. And make a 3D model of it. So when I have that, it's easier to create upgrades or things for it. Then I can just add it on in the model first and then 3D print it. Very cool. And I will be using Autodesk Inventor. I like that a lot. I've used Autodesk Inventor, Solid Edge from Siemens, SolidWorks from something, and I like Inventor the most. What I've done before is I've imported the model into SolidWorks to do CFD simulation, also film analysis. I think that's convenient. I haven't checked out the latest version of Inventor fully, so perhaps they have some new tools incorporated into that. And also the reason why I have access to these programs is because at the Royal Institute of Technology they do the courses in those, mostly Solid Edge, but in Formula Student we used Autodesk Inventor. We also did a course in it, and we did also have a course at KTH, the Royal Institute, in 3D modeling, where I used Inventor, I think, maybe. Some teachers prefer that you use either or the other, but what I did in that course is a 3D model of my wastegate that I have in my Supra, since I was anyway taking it apart to do a bit of porting on it. Yeah, so that's my preference. I think I'm not sure yet what slicer I will use for this. I think I would start out with one of the free ones, or I saw also one of the 3D printer guys at YouTube who said that 360 Fusion from Autodesk has a built-in slicer, so perhaps that's something that's included in Inventor as well. Otherwise I would just have to install Fusion. But I think it would be nice to do sort of the free route. So I will get started on that. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will be doing a lot of stuff. I've already printed out a long list of things to 3D print, and also one of the biggest reasons why I wanted a dual extruder is because then I have one extruder doing the model itself, and then I have another one doing the support, and the support for the model will be in water soluble filament. And I just realized that the blue and black was actual filament. I've ordered more, but I might need to go to the store just to have something. This will be so fun. Okay, anyways, thanks again. Again, there will be a lot of this stuff. I will be using it in everywhere. I mean, where can you find an area in your life where you won't be using a 3D printer? No, not really. So take care, stay safe, and have a good one. Bye.